Today we start the industrial production of a new sedan business class Lada Aura. You have already had the opportunity to personally drive this car in July. Thank you very much for your positive evaluation. And after 2.5 months, Lada Aura is already on the assembly line in many characteristics. This machine is superior to foreign analogs, and buyers of the Aura will not only be private customers. The car is perfectly suited for corporate parks and for taxi services, as well as in government structures and state companies. Therefore, we hope that the execution of your instructions will continue exactly until the regulatory framework is adjusted. And, in our opinion, it would be advisable to extend localization requirements to car purchases not only for officials, but also for the state corporation of state companies, as well as taxi fleets and transport services for state municipal needs. Dear Vladimir Vladimirovich, the first series car Voda Lara is ready to roll off the assembly line.
Wonderful. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you and the entire AvtoVAZ team for this achievement. It's visible on my TV screen just slightly to your left. In the distance, near the new car, there stand representatives of the labor team. I wish to address them. Thank you for your work and for your professionalism. I really took a ride on a car not so long ago in the summer, and it is without any exaggeration, I say absolutely sincerely, I liked her. Good management review, good director, powerful, enough. Everything is modern.